Choosing the right camera microscope can be difficult. Low image quality, weak zoom performance, unstable stands, and poor lighting often make repair work frustrating. That's why digital camera microscopes have become essential for PCB soldering, phone repair, industrial inspection, and precision work. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best camera microscopes of 2026 that offer sharp visuals, smooth zooming, and professional-level performance. We researched the web and real user feedback to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. Hayve 7-inch Digital Microscope. The Hayve 7-inch digital microscope is an excellent entry-level option for soldering and phone repair tasks. It features a large HD display with up to 1200x zoom magnification and a 12-megapixel camera sensor for detailed viewing. The adjustable LED lighting improves visibility during PCB inspections and micro-soldering work. Its sturdy stand helps maintain stable positioning while working on delicate components. With support for image and video recording, this microscope is useful for both hobbyists and repair professionals. Compact, affordable, and easy to use, it delivers impressive performance for everyday repair jobs. Number 4. YIZHAN 60MP, 48MP, 4K Digital Microscope Camera. The YIZHAN 4K digital microscope is designed for users who need ultra-clear industrial-level visuals. It features a powerful 48MP, 60MP camera system with HDMI, VGA, and USB output support for flexible connectivity. The included 150x lens provides sharp magnification, while the foldable bracket keeps the setup stable during precision work. Real-time 4K output delivers highly detailed images, making it ideal for PCB soldering, industrial inspection, and electronics repair. Remote control support adds convenience, and the adjustable lighting system improves visibility for tiny components and fine circuit work. Number 3. KUAIQU 13-megapixel VGA Video Microscope Camera. The KUAIQU 13-megapixel video microscope combines strong magnification with professional repair features in a compact setup. It includes a 1080p VGA camera with a zoom range of 1x to 130x, delivering clear visuals for soldering and inspection tasks. The C-mount lens design offers flexible focusing and improved image depth, while the adjustable LED light enhances brightness control during detailed work. Its large viewing area makes it easier to repair phone motherboards, PCBs, and electronic circuits. Reliable performance and smooth image output makes this microscope a solid choice for repair technicians. Number 2. NicePower 48MP 4K Digital Microscope. The NicePower 48MP 4K digital microscope offers ultra-high-resolution imaging designed for industrial inspection and precision soldering. With HDMI and USB connectivity, it easily connects to monitors and computers for larger, clearer viewing. The included 150x lens captures sharp details with accurate color reproduction, helping technicians work more efficiently on tiny components. Its stable stand and professional-grade optics make it ideal for PCB repair, quality control, and electronics assembly. Smooth zoom control and bright LED illumination improve workflow, making this microscope a dependable tool for both professionals and advanced hobbyists. Number 1. HIGHCLOUD 48-megapixel 4K HDMI USB Digital Microscope Camera. The HIGHCLOUD 48-megapixel 4K digital microscope is the most powerful and feature-packed model on this list. It delivers stunning 4K image quality with HDMI and USB output support for smooth real-time viewing. The 130x zoom C-mount lens provides exceptional clarity for phone PCB soldering, precision repair, and industrial inspection tasks. Its professional optical system produces crisp details and vibrant color accuracy, while the adjustable stand ensures stable operation during delicate work. Perfect for technicians, repair shops, and electronics enthusiasts, this microscope offers premium-level performance for demanding repair environments. If you need sharp magnification, accurate detail, and reliable performance for repair work, these camera microscopes are excellent choices. From beginner-friendly models to professional 4K inspection systems, each option offers strong features and great value. Whether for PCB soldering, phone repair, or industrial inspection, there's a perfect microscope for your setup. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.